Brooks Brothers filed for bankruptcy in 2020. LL Bean gutted its lifetime guarantee in 2018. Allen Edmonds' quality collapsed after corporate takeover. Heritage names are no longer enough. We ran 3 tough tests: documented construction, stable manufacturing, and real warranties that prove long-term confidence. Only 8 brands passed. Today, I'm counting them down from 8 to 1. If you're tired of clothes that die after 2 years, this is for you. Number 8 is Suitsupply. Every full canvas suit names the exact Italian mill, E. Thomas, Zenga, or Vitali Barberis Canonico, right on the product page. At around $600 to $1,200, you get real hand-stitched horsehair inner lining that holds shape for over a decade. Fused suits, they often fall apart in 3 to 7 years. Their direct model keeps markups honest. Number 7, Ironheart. These 21 to 25 ounce selvage jeans are nearly twice as heavy as mall denim. Double-twisted yarns make them incredibly tough. Many owners report 5 to 10 times longer lifespan with beautiful fades over years, not months. Number 6, Filson. Their signature tin cloth is densely woven cotton canvas saturated with wax. It resists water and abrasion and can be re-waxed indefinitely at their Seattle facility. People send back 20-year-old jackets that come back like new. Number 5, Crockett & Jones. Every shoe is made in one Northampton factory running since 1879 using Goodyear welt construction. The sole can be replaced multiple times. Over 20 years, your real cost per wear can drop to just $18 to $37 a year. Number 4, Schott NYC. Since 1913, they've hand-cut Perfecto leather jackets from full-grain hides in their New Jersey factory. No bonded leather shortcuts. The build quality has barely changed in over 100 years. Number 3, Barbour. Founded in 1894, they've run a formal repair and rewax program since 1921. Their global service centers handle thousands of jackets every year, average 21 days for rewaxing. This isn't a gimmick, it's real infrastructure for lifelong use. Number 2, Red Wing Heritage. Everything starts in Minnesota. Leather is tanned at their own SB Foot tannery. Goodyear welt construction plus a solid resole program means these boots can deliver an annual cost per wear as low as $17 to $35 over 20 years. True vertical integration. And number 1, Darn Tough Vermont. Every sock is knit in their Vermont mill with no outsourcing, but the real proof is their unconditional lifetime guarantee. If they wear out, Darn Tough replaces them. No questions, no receipt needed. At $20 to $30 a pair, they cost more upfront, but the company is literally betting their business that these socks will outlast you. Across these 8 brands, one thing is clear. Trust in men's fashion now demands proof, not nostalgia. Documented construction, stable manufacturing, real guarantees. Durability has become rare. Skepticism is essential. In menswear, belief is built, not inherited. Which of these would you buy first? Drop it in the comments. If you want more hard-hitting brand autopsies, hit like and subscribe to the Style Auditor. I'm Charlie. See you in the next audit.